Hai, nama saya Muhammad Alif Nazmi bin Nazmi. Nombor pendaftaran 11 TKM 19F1052. Hari ini saya akan terangkan tentang maintenance organisation. Question dia adalah state, objective and benefit of maintenance management. Objektif ialah control cost and budget, comply with regulation, plan maintenance work. And benefit dia adalah reduce downtime, extend asset life, and regularity, safety, compliance. Second question, classify type of maintenance organisation. Number one, preventive maintenance, condition based maintenance, predictive maintenance, and corrective maintenance. Last question, differentiate types of responsibilities or roles in maintenance management organization. First, scheduling and overseeing on maintenance related work by managing a team of maintenance technician and supervisor, ensuring that all maintenance operations are done in accordance with company policy and OSHA guidelines, ensuring the facility certifies all industry regulation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to present about my slide with my friend Alif Nazmi and Eden Anthony Peter. Okay, my point is preventive maintenance. First, preventive maintenance definition is maintenance work is scheduled or performed at regular interval. Second, predicted date. And third, using cost is medium or high. Okay, for the condition based maintenance, the definition is maintenance work is done at the exact time when real time analysis dictate irregularities. For the second, real time measurement, and the cost is medium or high initial startup cost. Okay, for the predictive maintenance, first, identify critical asset. The best candidate are asset with high repair and replacement costs that are critical to production. Okay, the second, establish a database. Historical data can be picked up from source like CMMS, hard copy file, maintenance record, and chart or another. Third, analyze failure mode. Okay, this step involve performance FEMA or FEMA analysis on the previously identified critical asset to establish failure mode. You need to watch out for. Okay, the fourth, implement CBM technology to manage identify failure modes. Organization can implement various sensor and condition monitoring techniques. Okay, the fifth is develop predictive model. Data scientists develop predictive algorithm based on sensor measurements and other data the organization was able to gather. Okay, the sixth, deploy to pilot develop equipment. This is where the predictive algorithm are put to test and validate by deploying the technology to a select group of pilot equipment. Okay, the last one is corrective maintenance. First, fault detection or confirmation. Second, fault localization or fault isolation. Third, fault diagnosis. Okay, fourth, corrective maintenance. Fifth, alignment and calibration. Sixth, cleaning and lubrication. And the last one, action checkout or test or observation. Thank you.
Okay, now I'm going to talk about the 1.3, which is maintenance cost. So, firstly, when it's come to maintenance cost, we should know the definition as a cost that include lost opportunities in uptime rate, yield, and quality due to non-operating or unsatisfactorily operating equipments in addition to costs involved with equipments related degradation of the safety of people, property, and the environment. However, often maintenance cost is simply described as the labor of material expense needed to maintain equipment or item in satisfactory operational state. So 1.3.1 source. Maintenance cost can be significant factor in an organization's profitability. Hence, maintenance department should treat the matters that make a profit on the industry by take into account the cost of maintenance. Consider the most basic definition of profit. Profit equal to income minus expenses. This simple theory shows that it is important to reduce the maintenance expenses to increase a profit by avoiding unnecessary expenditure. Then we will talk about 1.3.2 types. Direct costs. Direct costs are those costs required to keep equipment operable. These include periodic inspection and preventive maintenance, servicing cost, repair costs, and overhaul costs. Next, we will talk about standby costs, which is the total cost of operating and maintaining standby equipment needed to be put in operation when primary facilities are either undergoing a maintenance activity or are inoperable for some reason. Moreover, we will talk about lost production costs. Costs due to lost production because primary equipment is down and no standby equipment is available. And then, lastly but not least, degradation costs, those costs occurring in deterioration in the lifespan of equipment resulting from inadequate and or inferior maintenance. Then we will talk about 1.3.3 cost analysis method. First, life cycle cost is the sum of all costs incurred during the lifetime of an item, and that is the total of procurements and ownership cost. Then the aim of life cycle costing is to know the total cost of equipments occurring over its whole life period and which may include all the cost. Starting from the specification costs, the data to be input into a life cycle cost model include the purchase, purchases price of product and mean time benefit failure MTBF, mean time to repair MTR, average material cost of failure, labor cost per preventive maintenance action, and labor cost per corrective maintenance action, and installation costs. Also, training costs and the warranty coverage period cost of carrying spares in inventory and shipment forecast over the course of the product usual life. So this is all from our um, team. Thank you for lecturer for listening for our presentation. Thank you. Thank you, sir. And sorry for my presentation. There cannot be see my presentation face because I have sharing my screen. So thank you.